Hello everybody. Bagong lahat, nagpapasalamat ko sa lahat na dumalo sa celebration ng wedding, celebration ni Hana and Derek. Thank you everybody. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. I have been anxiously waiting for this day to come. To be honest, I could not explain what I was feeling this evening before the ceremony. I never felt anything like this when my two older sons got married. Then I realized fathers truly have a different place in their hearts for their daughters. Hannah came into our lives at the perfect time. We have just started establishing Jamas marketing. Life has its challenges, but she came as the last jigsaw puzzle piece that completed our family. Finally, we have a princess who brought so much joy to me, to her mama, and to her kuyas. Growing up, I have seen her in all kinds of dresses, birthday gowns, Halloween costume, school outfits. But today is extra special. I saw her walk down the aisles in her beautiful wedding gown. Everyone is amazed how radiant she looks. But to me, she is still my baby girl, the one I carried in my arms the day she was born. May kurot sa puso because with all these dresses she has worn over the years, this wedding gown means that tomorrow she will officially be Derek's wife. It means I will no longer be the number one in her life because starting today, Derek will be number one. And I am perfectly okay with that. I have witnessed how Derek loves and takes care of my daughter. I have seen happiness in Hannah's face whenever he is with him. So my heart tells me I am giving my daughter to a very good man. And Derek, I truly believe that my princess will be your one and only queen. And let me emphasize that. Only queen. Hannah, now that you have Derek as your husband, magpasabog ka sa kanya. Support his dreams and the future he wants to build for your family. Derek Barok, please take very good care of my daughter. I know her personality. She may be stubborn at times. You will have disagreements, normal po yun. When those moments come, just look back and remember the love you both felt when you said, I do. That promise is what will keep your marriage strong. Mahalin niyo ang isa't isa sa abot ninyong makakaya. Derek, on behalf of my Ang family, welcome to the family. We are so blessed not only to have you, but also the entire family in our growing planet. So, let's raise our glasses and cheers to our children, Hannah and Derek. So, congratulations. May God continue to bless your life forever. Congratulations, Balong. And
Cheers,